everyone. Like usual, today we will study math because today there is no Zoom. Miss Ipa make a video. So now you can open your textbook first, and then you can open page 209, chapter 12. Ready? Open textbook, page 209, chapter 12. Ready? If you done, let's start it. Okay, in textbook page 209, chapter 12, we study about volume of liquid. Lesson first, getting to know volume. First, let us fill this container with water. Next, now each container has an amount of colored water. The amount of water is called the volume of water. Jadi, jumlah air yang ada di tempat ini bisa kita sebut dengan volume air. Okay, now let's open next page. We skip page 210. And now let's see page 211. Comparing volumes. Comparing itu adalah membandingkan volume. Number 3, bottles A and B are similar. Bottles A and B contain the same amount of water. Jadi botol A dan botol B memiliki volume air yang sama. Bottle A contain as much water as bottle B. Memuat air yang sama. We use as much for the similar contain. Okay. Number 4, bowl C, D, and E are the same size. Bowl C, bowl D, and bowl E are the same size. The volume of water in the bowl C is more than the volume of water in bowl D. Nah, bowlnya sama, but volume air bowl C itu lebih besar dibanding dengan bowl D. More than. We use more than. Next, the volume of water in bowl A is less than the volume of water in bowl D. Jadi volume air yang ada di bowl A lebih kecil dibanding di bowl D. So, bowl C has the most amount of water. Jadi bowl C memiliki air yang paling banyak, the most air yang paling banyak. And bowl E has the least amount of water. Dan bowl E memiliki paling sedikit jumlah air. Understand? Next, open next page. Page 212. Number 5, we pour syrup into 4 similar container. 4 similar container. Does we pour the same amount of syrup into each container? Which container has the most amount of syrup? Is C. Yang memuat paling banyak adalah C. And then which container has the less amount of syrup? Yang memiliki isi volume paling sedikit adalah B. Next, container B has less syrup than container D. Jadi container B memiliki lebih sedikit sirup dibanding container D. The volume of syrup in container D is less than the volume of syrup in container A and C. Jadi volume sirup di kontainer D itu lebih sedikit dibandingkan yang ada di container A, and C. The volume of syrup in container A is more than the volume of syrup in container B and D. Jadi volume yang ada di kontainer A itu lebih banyak dibanding yang di B and D. Okay, the volume of syrup in container A is less than the volume of syrup in container C. Jadi jumlah volume air yang ada di kontainer A itu lebih sedikit dibanding yang ada di kontainer C. Okay, next number 6. Leah fills similar glasses with all the water from container A and container B. Container A contains less water than container B. Jadi lebih sedikit dibanding container B. And container B contain more water than container A. Container B memuat lebih banyak air dibandingkan dengan container A. Understand? Next page 213. Yani fills similar glasses with all the water from jug A, jug B, and jug C. First, we must count the glasses first. Jug A have 8 glasses. Jug B have 5 glasses. Jug C have 12 glasses. So jug B contain the less amount of water. Jug B memiliki air yang paling sedikit. Jug C contain more than water than jug A. Jug C memiliki volume air lebih banyak dibandingkan dengan jug A. Okay, jug C contain 7 more glasses of water than jug B. Jadi jug C itu memiliki 7 gelas air lebih banyak dibandingkan dengan jug B. So how we can count that? 12 minus 5 equals 7. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Jug B contain 3 fewer glasses of water than jug A. Jadi jug B itu memuat lebih sedikit 3 gelas lebih sedikit dibanding jug A. Jadi how we count this? 8 minus 5, 8 dikurangi 5 equals 3. Okay, next, arrange jugs A, B, and C in order. Begin with the jug that has the most amount of water. Jug C, first jug C, the most. Dari yang paling banyak kak, jug C, and then A, and the last is jug B. Done for textbooks already. Now let's move and open your workbook. Okay, done. Miss Ipa already explained you about volume of liquid. So now you can open your workbook. Open your workbook, page 198. Open page 198. So you can try to do by yourself page 198 and until 199. Just 2 pages. This one, this and this. Do by yourself. Okay, Miss Ipa already explained. If you don't know or you have a question, maybe you can call me. Okay. See you next time, Kak. Good luck. Bye bye.